Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to buy cryptocurrency directly in Trust Wallet. So yeah, it's actually pretty simple and I'm going to show you how it's done in a few steps. Now, first things first, here is my main wallet right here and there are a few options. First things first, you can switch down here or you can scroll down here in order for you to see some of the items that you can buy or some of the coins that you can buy. Now, the problem there is that you won't be able to see everything. So in order for you to see some, you can also go ahead and click the buy here and you will be able to see here more lists. So say for example, I'm gonna go ahead and buy this one. I can go ahead and click that one and then enter an amount here, and then I can go ahead and click this in order for me to see some options that I can use. So you have here the Google Pay and the credit card, and then you have the provider here down below. So we have to transact and simple. So from this point forward, if I'm gonna head over and use credit card, I can just go ahead and click that to proceed, and then what's gonna happen is that it's gonna bring me to another browser or Chrome, for example, in order for me to complete this transaction. So from here, they're gonna be asking me to enter details that will be used in order to complete this one. So if I were to head over and click the buy now here, as you can see, it's asking me to enter my email and then the other details to complete this one. And yep, that is how you are going to buy cryptocurrency directly in Trust Wallet.